Good day guys, today we'll do a special orange juice, quick and easy. They are all that big, okay? I have 7 of them. I have a squeezer to squeeze lime, okay? They're oranges but they're small. Spoon, a glass, some sugar, some salt, okay? So let's start. Got a knife? So let's cut the oranges. Okay, you can use any orange, okay? Make sure you keep the skin, okay? You can cut it this way, you can cut it this way, doesn't matter. So let's cut all the oranges. I prefer it this way, okay? Just 7 of them. The quickest and fastest orange juice, okay? Good for your immune system, a lot of vitamin C, good for cold, cough, okay? Now we will move this away. There you go. 1, you can put 2 at a time, okay? Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, yes, you see, simple orange juice, 2 at a time. Let's do 2 at a time, and make sure you turn it around. Quick and easy. 1, 2. Okay. So let's add just a bit of sugar, not much, just a teaspoon, little bit of salt, salt, put some water, give it a good stir. Cheers guys, orange juice, enjoy. Refreshing. So one more tip, if your oranges are that big, you need to cut them this way, okay, this way, and make it into small pieces, but make sure you keep the skin. The skin will allow it to form like, like a cover on top, so that you can squeeze, right? So any size of orange will go inside this beautiful squeezer. So you can cut it this way, better cut it this way, right? If it's big, no problem, that way. And we will put 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Why not? Let's see what happens. That's good. Okay. Very good. Oranges are very, very good for your immune system. Lot of vitamin C. Easy to make. No need all machineries. Okay, mixies and all that stuff. Okay, you can just stay away from them for some time and do this beautiful orange juice. Okay, you can have orange juice every day if you want. Okay, that way, beautiful orange juice. Okay, simple, easy, nothing to worry, good for health. So I showed you how to make orange juice in a very simple way. So don't panic, no instruments, no problem. You can have it just like this also. Perfect. Cheers guys. Fresh orange juice is ready now. Cheers guys. Enjoy.